If you're using Google Maps on the web, there is no separate app update button like on mobile devices. Instead, Google Maps automatically updates in the browser. This means keeping your browser up to date is the key to accessing the latest features. To begin, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then go to Google Maps in a new tab and make sure you are signed into your Google account. If you want to ensure you are seeing the newest version of Google Maps, the first thing you should do is refresh the page. A simple refresh can load updated features or interface changes that were recently rolled out. If the interface still looks outdated or certain features are missing, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Cached files may store an older version of the site, preventing updates from appearing properly. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Then load Google Maps again to check if anything has changed. Another important step is updating your browser itself. Google Maps on the web depends heavily on modern browser versions. Updating Chrome, Edge, or Firefox ensures compatibility with the latest Maps features and performance improvements. Once your browser is updated, restart it completely and reopen Google Maps. You should now be running the most recent web version automatically, since updates are handled on Google's server side rather than through manual downloads. If you still feel like the version is not updating, try opening Google Maps in an incognito or private browsing window. This bypasses stored cache and can help confirm whether the issue is related to saved browser data. It is also important to ensure that JavaScript and cookies are enabled, as Google Maps relies on them for full functionality and feature updates. Unlike mobile apps, the web version of Google Maps does not require manual installation updates. Everything is updated automatically on Google's end, so the main responsibility is keeping your browser clean, updated, and compatible. And that's how you ensure Google Maps on the web is up to date. Refresh the page, clear cache if needed, update your browser, and relaunch to access the latest version automatically.